Hello, everybody. So, this is something I've been wanting to do for a while, and hopefully figured out a way to do it here rather well. I wanted to talk about singing volume, screaming, distortion, all these different things, and how they apply to volume and how they apply to how loud you're being, and kind of dispel some of the myths of how loud certain things are and how loud certain things aren't, and power and, resonance and all these kind of different things, just to kind of show how loud my voice is, at least when I'm doing a lot of these different things. So I downloaded a free app here on the App Store called dBmeter, I believe. And of course, there's a paid version and a free version, but this is just a simple dBmeter. How scientific all of this is going to be, I'm doing the very best I can, but at least it'll give you some kind of idea. You can download this and follow along, see how loud certain things you are doing are. Again, this is mostly about getting a decent tone, getting something that's comfortable, and then moving on with that. Everybody always kind of gets this idea of excitement about like being loud and being powerful and stuff, and a lot of that shit is not real, it's not true, and it's not sustainable. So, without further ado, if you'd like to follow along with me here and go through some different tiers of my voice doing certain things, we're going to find out how loud these things are when I'm doing them. I'm going to hold this dBmeter here about 3 to 4 inches, hopefully, from my face, and try to stay about the same spot. Now, you can see with my speaking voice, I do not have a loud speaking voice. My voice tends to come out of my face and fall straight down. And I've been known to be a mumble mouth person. So my voice is about 75, 80 when I'm speaking right now from this distance. So we'll see what some of the singing stuff will bring in terms of the volume meter as well. So I hope you get something out of this. If you want to figure out how this works, join me. All right, so we're going to go through different tiers: chest voice, head voice, flageolet, falsetto, screaming, distortion, compressed voice, different stuff like that, and we're going to see how it works, all right? Here we go. Oh, 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 oh. Oh! yo, yo, yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. All right, so tried to do my best with that stuff. I've had an ongoing upper chest cold thing for about 9 weeks now. So it still just tends to be congestion and crap that I'm coughing up. It's been pretty ridiculous. Haven't noticed in the past week that much unless I'm exercising. But anyway, so hopefully that gives you a little bit of an idea of some of these different volumes. Hopefully you'll learn something from this. Depending on how warmed up you are, you might get a little bit more volume from that, depending on how long you've been singing that day, how much you're supporting. But at the end of the day, again, it's about finding something comfortable that you can sustain for long periods of time, that's good for your voice, that's not overusing air, that's not overusing volume. You get to learn how to pick and choose certain moments when you can kind of go a little bit further and then reel it back to a comfortable thing. And that's kind of the key with all of this is and with distortion, screaming, everything is, okay, where's my tone and my nice level that I can maintain? And then do I have these one-offs that I can do certain things with and then bring it back to that center? And that center does not ever exist too far from what your typical kind of voice is. It's not really that loud, but I have no need to go louder than that. Actually, it'll just start to kind of diminish my tone. The more I open, all these different things are going to start to diminish my natural tone because it's starting to just push everything out of my face. Like this. So anyway, thanks for joining me. Hope you got something out of this. Let me know in the comments, what kind of numbers you're getting with something like this and just regular chest and just supported head voice and things like that. Interested to know. Thanks.